The army spokesperson said the SSPDF raided the position of armed opposition group loyal to Stephen Buay in Mayom County and killing 65 of their fighters. Major General Lure Kwangse SSPDF infantry units attacked the army group in Manyang and Kurdate on Wednesday. The SSPDF mobile infantry unit attacked the bandits' hideout at Manyang, Kurdate, and Buay. The surprise and simultaneous attacks resulted in 65 rebels getting neutralized in action and the recovery of 9 AK-47 assault rifles, said General Lu. iRadio could not independently verify the deaths toll from the fighting, and the army spokesperson did not give update on the SSPDF casualties. In a press statement at the general headquarters in Juba on Thursday, Lul said the army has declared a full-scale crackdown on the forces of Stephen Buay. The leadership of the SSPDF would like to make the following assurance that surgical offensive operation will continue to bring bandit commanders to book, he said. The renewed violence occurred a day after the killing of 19 people in an ambush along the Warrap United States border. Also last week, the army opposition group loyal to Stephen Buay attacked the residence of the commissioner of Mayom County and killed him along with 11 other members of the organized forces. The attack is still on, and the state has drawn condemnation from activists as well as aid of the UN peacekeeping mission in the country. General Lul justified that the army carried out the attack in exercise of our own mandate protecting territorial integrity of the republic, the citizens, and their properties. He termed the group as a few disgruntled former servicemen, with majority being criminals, mostly murderers, rapists, highway robbers, and cattle raiders that are operating in no man's land between Twish and Mayom counties. On Wednesday, UNMISS appealed to army group to lay down their weapons and participate in peace effort. Self-national violence has already had a devastating impact on communities. This is the only way to break the cycles of violence and revenge killings and pave the way for durable and sustainable peace. UNMISS Special Representative Nicholas Hyson.